Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add money towards Mega Pari. Now, Mega Pari is another gambling website, but unfortunately, if you're from the United Kingdom like I am, this is restricted. So we're going to go step by step through this website to know how we can add money, pardon me, into Mega Pari. To start off, make sure you use their promo code and you can get 30% up to whatever you have deposited and up to 130 on your first deposit. To start off, you need to log in by putting your phone number, all of your details, and making sure that you enter the correct information within everything. When you deposit, you'll get 130% up to how much money you actually deposit. So 17 INR, so if you do 17 in dollars, that is roughly about $200. So if you do deposit over $200, you will get 100% off that. So that is really up to about $400 to $500 you get extra. You can download on Android and iOS, and here it shows you how to place bets, how to get advantages, banking methods to deposit. So if you see the deposit button, you can deposit via Afterpay, Skrill, mostly electronic and crypto wallets. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.